How to add or remove dim flashing lights to the accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Now in here, tap on Dim Flashing Lights. Tap on that to select or deselect the item. Once it is selected, it will be available in the Accessibility Shortcut menu in here. So Dim Flashing Lights. You can deselect it to remove the menu item from the shortcut menu. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.